Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. Did you guys know that the longest lived populations on Earth eat a high carb diet? That's right, they eat a diet that's higher in carbohydrate and lower in fat and protein. So that's one of the reasons why I eat the way I do. I've been doing it for about 12 years, and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. This is actually what I had yesterday to eat. And as usual, I broke my fast around 1 p.m. I did a workout around 11 a.m. and I generally fast for around 16 to 18 hours a day. So check it out. Here's what I had. Let me know what you think. So I had my first meal at 1 p.m. with a big bowl of strawberries, and this was super delicious. We've been getting some good strawberries in lately, so I've been taking advantage of that. Then next up at 2 p.m. I made a smoothie. This had 2 dates. It had a half a cup of coconut water and about 3/4 cup of almond milk. Now I do have my own machine where I can make my own almond milk, but sometimes I get a little bit lazy with that, so a lot of times I just use the store-bought almond milk. It had a packet of acai, it had a scoop of peanut butter, and it had about a cup of blueberries, frozen blueberries, and I used 4 frozen ripe bananas. I thawed them in hot water for about 4 minutes so they defrost and I can get them easily out of the peel. Then I added a little bit more frozen blueberries at the end, and that was it. It was super delicious. Made about a liter and a half of smoothie, so I enjoyed that for a while. Then finally at 7 p.m. I started with a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, carrots, tomatoes, and a little bit of side of pasta salad. It was still left over from 4th of July, so I finished that off. And then after the salad, I had a barbecue tofu burger with avocado on top and some baked fries, and that was super delicious. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes that I eat regularly. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.